Hello everybody, my name is Agung Suparsa. I am a tour operator in Bali and I'm also a driver in Bali. So today this is my customers. So today we will do the best snorkeling located at the Padang Bay Harbor. So this is my instructor, and today we will do the snorkeling at the Blue Lagoon. And before you do the snorkeling, our guide and instructor will brief you how to do the snorkeling, how to do to swim, how to wear your life jacket, everything. And our instructor will explain to you about the spots. We have two spots, Taman Jepun and the Blue Lagoon. And this is our guide. He is a very professional guide. He can handle maximum 6 people. So he will explain to you how to wear the nozzle, mask, everything. So if you want to do the snorkeling at the Blue Lagoon, you can contact me. I open 24 hours. You can message me at any time. You can book with me. I will give you the price, how many of you, if you need the pickup from the hotel or you have your own transport. So this is the private boat. So this is me, I'm Agung. This Blue Lagoon snorkeling, it's not like the other snorkeling. So this snorkeling is a private snorkeling. Nobody other participants join with you. So we will start in the morning time. So do not do in the afternoon, always in the morning time. Why? Because the weather and the condition of the sea in the morning is fantastic, excellent. And we need the sun also. So we need to do this in the morning time. So I put my number on the beginning. So just message me. I will make you the booking confirmation if you come with your own transport. But if you come with me, I will pick up you from the hotel and I will drive you to come here and enjoy the best snorkeling. So this package included the pickup from the hotel to this place. We need approximately 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes to come here. And now we already at the Taman Jepun spot. So our guide will teach you how to wear the mask. It's a full face mask. So any of you, if you cannot swim,
what is it on the left side? Look on the left side is a fish.
Yeah, I see the turtle here.
What's that? What's that? Turtle? Penyu? Oh, that's true.
It's a turtle. Yes, a big turtle on our right side.
Yes. Oh, the turtle.
Okay, again, if you cannot swim, don't worry. You can swim with the life jacket. Okay, do not worry about this snorkeling here.
You made it.
If you think that this snorkeling is danger, no, my friend, it's a safe for you. But make sure you have to do this snorkeling with the guide. You cannot swim, you must take a guide. And also, if you need a group, the video, So I also rent the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, just like this one. So we use this DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro to record this video. It's very clear, very beautiful video. The quality is very nice. So if you need to rent this our DJI, you have to message me. So we break the price from the pickup and then the snorkeling per person, and then the guide, how much you need a guide, and also to rent the DJI Action. So this is the video from our DJI. It's a very clear, nice, and 4K. It's good for the video under the water. So guys, do not be afraid or thinking too much. If you want to do the snorkeling in Bali, let's try to do this Blue Lagoon snorkeling, and only once in your life. Let's do this. And for the payment, if you come with me, you can pay in the hotel. I mean, when we return back to the hotel, you pay over there. But if you come here by yourself without me, you pay here. You pay to our instructor or our team here at the Blue Lagoon, and all done. So the spots, just like what I told you, the first spot is Taman Jepun, and this is the second spot we call Blue Lagoon. So we have two spots, 1 hour at the Taman Jepun and 1 hour at the Blue Lagoon. So total 2 hours. From the beach to come to the Taman Jepun, the first stop, the first spot, you need 10 minutes to go. And then from the Taman Jepun to the Blue Lagoon, just only 3 minutes. They are together, they are very close. And from the Blue Lagoon to the beach, back to the beach, approximately 7 minutes only. So total 2 hours. Okay, if you have to bring, if you do this snorkeling, okay, of course you have to bring with you the dry clothes with you, because all the clothes you wear here, they are all wet, of course, so you need the dry one. So we provide also the toilet, the changing room, wash, the hand wash, everything. Don't worry about how do you change your clothes, how do you take a shower. Okay, we also provide the soap here for your shower, and the towel, my friend, you have to bring with you the towel, okay, because we don't provide you the towel here. And this package it's not included lunch. Okay, let's do this snorkeling with us. It's a fantastic place to do the snorkeling at the Blue Lagoon. And then now we are finished, we are all done. After 2 hours we are all done, so we return back to the beach again, and you go to the washroom to change your clothes, everything. And if you come with me, of course I will wait for you here for 2 hours, and then we will return back to the hotel. Or if you come with your own transport, you go by yourself. And don't forget, before you leave this area, you have to pay here with our instructor here. Okay, that's all our video. I hope you are happy and easy to understand.